Students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue with the our lesson number 6, Foods We Eat. Moving further, Vipul's family. There are 4 members in Vipul's family. There are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Why should this happen? Let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta, corn off the cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Munni? I want to see her." His mother replied, "Munni is in the room upstairs." Upstairs means upper floor of the building. Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." "Have you put sugar in the dal?" said Dadi to Vipul's mother. I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. "When I was of your age, I could run up a hill in the same time," said Dadi. Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hands and lifted little Munni. Suddenly Munni started crying. "She is hungry," said mommy. She sat down to feed Munni. Think and well. Here we have a question. We have to give an answer it from this paragraph. Vipul's family. Okay. So let's see. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Because she is old. In old age, people become weak. That's why she is not able to climb the stairs quickly. How does Dadi like to have her dal? Dadi likes to have a little bit sugar in her dal. Which kind of dal do you like? About me, I like sweet dal. Some people like spicy dal. Okay, so here you have to write about yours. How many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? Vipul, his mother and mommy can eat bhutta easily as they are young and have strong teeth. Can all old people eat bhutta? Why? No. Not all the old people eat bhutta because in old age the teeth and gums become weak. For 4 months Munni will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? As 4 months old child do not have teeth. Okay. So they need to take only fluids. Fluids means liquid type food. Mother's milk is the best food for kids. Now ask and write what they can eat and what they cannot eat. Child. What child can eat and what child cannot eat. So child can eat milk, dal rice, oats, and they cannot eat chapati, nuts, hard fruits because they don't have teeth. Young. What young can eat and what young cannot eat. Young can eat chapati, vegetables, nuts, fruits, almost everything. They can eat everything. Old. What old people can eat or cannot eat. Old people can eat rice, dal, curry. They cannot eat hard fruits, dry fruits because their teeth and gums become weak. So this was about things that we can or cannot eat. Do we eat all the things that we can eat? Not always. Not always. Let us talk about those things that we do eat. Put a circle on the things that you like to eat often most. So I like to eat rice and wheat. Most of our food is made of different things depending on where grows easily at which place. What grows easily at which place? Different things are eaten at different places. Find out where each of the above things is eaten more. So rice grows in southern India. So it is most popular in southern part of India. Wheat grows in northern India. So it is most popular grain in northern India. We not only eat different things, but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food items. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. So from wheat we can prepare many things like chapati, paratha, cake, bread, puri, halwa, okay? And from rice also we can make many things like idli, dosa, pulao, kheer, chapati, biryani, poha, okay? How many things can you write? Similarly, different pulses, vegetables, fruits, meat, etc. are eaten in different places. People have different likes and dislikes. Let us talk about it. Think and write. Write the names of 3 food items do you like to eat and 3 that you dislike. So here I have written about me. I like to eat dal rice, dosa, pav bhaji, and I don't like to eat samosa, idli, kheer. Okay, so here you have to write about yours. Okay students, thank you.